What's up, guys? Here's a chair I made a few years ago. Just thought it'd be kind of neat to show it off. I used a Dremel. I took a Dremel. I basically drew it all out first, and then I just took the Dremel to it and gave it some depth. A little dusty. That's the thing about these little intricate wood projects, is that you get dust in the cracks and the crevices, and it's hard to get it out. I usually just take a toothbrush and an air compressor to it, because the last thing you want to do is add water to dust. It'll just cake up and get stuck in the cracks even worse. So anyways, just thought it was kind of a cool thing. Now you see the caskets and the butterfly, obviously a reference of the cycle, right, of death coming into life. And I look at that as psychologically. I don't really have any thoughts in a literal physical afterlife. I just kind of leave that to whatever happens. Got to have a little faith in it, you know. And there's the sun and the moon, and the symbol there in the center of the inward and the outward journey, right? And the inward and outward, as within, so without, right? The dual nature that's actually not dual, right? It's really all one, but we perceive it as dual. The 13, the symbol of creation, the sun and the moon, the male, masculine, and the feminine, two hemispheres of the psychological aspect of human beings and nature. The Ouroboros with its tail in his mouth, the apple, and in the center you have the three skulls. The number 3 reference birth, life, and death. The 3 phases, 3 degrees. Also the serpents. Number 13 has to do with creation. And serpents also are in reference to creation. And they are holding the apple in their tail. Right, that's the enticement, that's the lure, right, that which is appealing. And the owls, they see in the dark. The owls are known to see in the dark, and if you are a Freemason and you've been initiated, you understand the reference of being blindfolded is to be able to be able to see in the dark, right? Also the candles, obviously reference to the light. That the owls, they possess that gift of being able to see in the dark, and they carry that light. So 3:22 is a biblical reference to Genesis 3:22, where it states that the man has become as one of us, knowing good from evil. And obviously the skull and the crossbones to emphasize the our limited time here on earth. And also the skull in combination with the femur bones is also reference to action. That's what the femur bones have always kind of implied, is the action part. So, and but that's basically it. Pretty cool little chair, something that you can make. It opens up. I just got some junk in there, but you can make this stuff really easy. All you need is some wood, a pencil, and a Dremel, and You can make all kinds of cool little things for your home.